Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our insightful content. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: 10 bad habits that destroy your life. Habits are powerful. They shape our days, our years, and ultimately, our destinies. In this video, we'll explore habits that might seem harmless but are actually detrimental to your well-being and success. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to identify these habits in your own life and strategies to replace them with positive alternatives. Let's dive in. 1. Procrastination. Procrastination is the silent killer of dreams. It tricks you into thinking you have time, but in reality, it steals precious moments that could be invested in your goals. Whether it's putting off important tasks or delaying decisions, procrastination robs you of momentum and creates unnecessary stress. Combat this habit by breaking tasks into smaller steps and setting deadlines to keep yourself accountable. 2. Negative self-talk. Your mind believes what you tell it most often. Negative self-talk, such as, "I can't," "I'm not good enough," or "I always fail," shapes your beliefs and actions. Challenge these thoughts by practicing self-awareness and replacing negative statements with affirmations of your strengths and past successes. Over time, you'll cultivate a positive mindset that propels you forward. 3. Living in the past. Constantly dwelling on past mistakes or reliving past glories prevents you from fully embracing the present moment. Learn from the past, but focus on the opportunities and lessons of today. Mindfulness practices like meditation and gratitude journaling can help you stay grounded in the present and create a more fulfilling future. 4. Fear of failure. Fear of failure paralyzes potential. It stops you from taking risks and exploring new opportunities. Embrace failure as a natural part of growth and learning. Shift your perspective by viewing failures as stepping stones toward success. Celebrate your efforts and resilience, regardless of the outcome, and watch how your confidence and courage grow. 5. Lack of goal setting. Without clear goals, you wander aimlessly without a sense of purpose or direction. Set smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to give yourself a roadmap for success. Regularly review and adjust your goals as you progress, ensuring they align with your values and aspirations. 6. Poor time management. Time is your most valuable asset, and poor time management leads to wasted opportunities and increased stress. Develop time management skills by prioritizing tasks, creating schedules, and minimizing distractions. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to enhance productivity and efficiency. 7. Living beyond your means. Financial stress can be a significant source of anxiety and dissatisfaction. Living beyond your means, spending more than you earn, creates a cycle of debt and limits your financial freedom. Practice budgeting and mindful spending to align your expenses with your income. Cultivate healthy financial habits like saving and investing to secure your future. 8. Lack of self-care. Neglecting your physical, emotional, and mental well-being diminishes your overall quality of life. Prioritize self-care practices such as exercise, adequate sleep, nutritious eating, and relaxation techniques. Make time for activities that bring you joy and rejuvenate your spirit. Remember, taking care of yourself enables you to better care for others and pursue your goals effectively. 9. Toxic relationships. The people you surround yourself with significantly impact your mindset and behaviors. Toxic relationships, whether with friends, family, or romantic partners, drain your energy and hinder personal growth. Set boundaries to protect your emotional health and cultivate relationships with supportive, uplifting individuals who encourage your growth and well-being. 10. Resistance to change. Change is inevitable and necessary for personal growth. Resisting change out of fear or comfort prevents you from evolving and reaching your full potential. Embrace change as an opportunity for learning and adaptation. Cultivate a growth mindset by seeking new experiences, learning from challenges, and adapting to evolving circumstances. There you have it, -10 bad habits that could be holding you back from living your best life. Which of these habits resonate with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.